Hi everyone, I'm immigration attorney Andres Mejer. Welcome to this week's Tip of the Week. In the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about a myth that many believe about their immigration case. This belief keeps them from getting help from an attorney and sometimes leads to them getting deported. I don't want that for you. After you watch this video, you'll know the best steps to take to make sure you treat your immigration concerns the right way. My name is Andres Mejer. I came to the US as a child with my family. We overstayed our visas and then lived like many of you do without a legal status, afraid of ICE and afraid of being deported. We paid an immigration attorney to help us out. They took our money and didn't do a damn thing. We had to figure out ourselves how to get legal status. And that was before I became an attorney. And that's what I do. I don't want you to be stressed out getting your green card or any other immigration benefit any more than the process entails. If there's a topic you want to know more about, post it below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we publish new videos. If you need help with your immigration case, call us. We'll see if we're a good fit to help you get the status you want. Now let's go back to the myth. Did you know that many people who are in deportation proceedings feel like there isn't anything they can do to change that and that an attorney really can't help them? Look, we've all been stressed out by the Trump's administration policies for immigrants. It's certainly made things much harder for those trying to get legal status and for those who are in deportation proceedings, but harder is not impossible. You will go in front of an immigration judge. That judge is very busy, and you may not feel like you are seen or even treated like a human being. The attorney for the government has probably worked to deport thousands of people just like you. But that doesn't mean there isn't any hope. If you hire an immigration attorney who is experienced in deportation defense, you may not only not be deported, but you may be able to be released on your own recognizance. What does that mean? That means you don't have to pay bail, or in immigration it's called a bond. You need to sign a paper agreeing that you will return for any future court hearings. This has been very rare under the Trump administration, but we hope it will become more common under President Biden. Alternatively, you may be able to get released with an immigration bond. This is a set amount the judge will determine that you will need to pay in order to ensure that you're going to return to court. If you don't return, you lose the money. You will get the money back at the conclusion of your immigration case. Sometimes, because immigration courts are so busy, the government's attorney can't prove that you are removable from the US by clear, convincing, and unequivocal evidence. A good immigration attorney knows when that happens and how to make the arguments to the judge that the government's burden wasn't met. Then you get released without a bond or any future court hearings about deportation. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen. And if you don't try, you know the old saying, if you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you are worried about ICE or the police picking you up, make sure you have these 4 things. 1, contact members of those who can help you, family and an attorney. 2, your financial and other important information available and accessible for your family to access so they can help you. 3, all your immigration documents together for them to give to your immigration attorney, and your red card on you always. This card tells you your rights. If the police or ICE detain you, you show it to them and you stop answering their questions without an attorney present. It could make the difference between arrested or deported. If you want a red card, just contact us. We will send it to you at no cost. We think it's that important. We'll even pay for the shipping and handling. We were recently talking to someone whose husband was in jail with an immigration hold. All his immigration documents were on his laptop that she couldn't access due to password protection. He had to wait in jail 4 weeks because of COVID and the holidays for an attorney to meet with him and get the information to start preparing a case for his defense. Make it easy for your family and your attorney to help you. If you're worried about being deported, call us. It isn't true that nothing can be done. It is true that if you hire a good immigration attorney as soon as possible, there may be a solution to get you back to your family. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and be well.